Assalamualaikum class 7. Today we have to start our test paper number 5 and in this lecture we have to do question number 1 to 8. Question number 1 is quite simple. Simplify the following. Question number 1 consists of 3 parts, part 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to start our part number 1. Part number 1, 3, 4 over 5. This is a mixed form. Minus 2, 1 by 5th plus 7, 9 over 10 minus 3, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 3. So firstly we have to convert the mixed form into the improper fraction. For this we have to do 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 4, 19. 19 over 5 minus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 over 5 plus 10 7s are 70, 70 plus 9, 79 over 10 minus 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 over 10 plus 1 over 3. Now firstly we have to solve the small brackets. There are 2 small brackets in this. So firstly we have to take the LCM and their denominators are same, so their LCM will be 5 and the numerators can be written as it is 19 minus 11 plus their denominators are also same 10 79 minus 31 and the remaining terms are as it is. Now 19 minus 11 we get 8 over 5 plus 79 minus 31 we will get 48 over 10 plus 1 over 3. Now we have to take the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. So 10 taken as LCM and then we have to divide 10 onto the first denominator, that is 5. When we have to divide 10 onto 5 we will get 2. So we have to multiply the numerator with the 2. So 8 times 2, that is 16 plus 10 divided by 10 we will get 1. So 48 times 1, that is 48 plus 1 over 3. Now their addition will be 16 plus 48, we will get 64 over 10 plus 1 over 3. Now their LCM will be 30. The LCM of 10 and 3 is 30. Now we have to divide 30 on the first denominator, that is 10. So 30 divided by 10 we will get 3. Now we have to multiply the numerator with 3, that is 64 times 3 we will get 192 plus 30 divided by 3 we will get 10. 10 times 1, that is 10. Now their addition 192 plus 10 we will get 202 over 30. Now on the table of 2 we have to do the cancellation. 2 15s are 30 and 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2. We will get 101 over 15. Now the question is in the mixed form. So we have to convert into the in mixed form. When we have to divide 101 onto 15 we will get 611 over 15. This is our answer. Now the part number 2 is 4 over 5 times 2 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5 into 6 1 over 4 minus 22 over 25. So firstly we have to convert it into the improper fractions, these terms. 4 over 5 times 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11, 11 over 4 plus 2 over 5, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 25 over 4 minus 22 over 25. Now this 4 will be cancelled out with this 4 and we will get 11 1s are 11 over 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 over 5 and the LCM of 4 and 25 is 100. So we have to divide 100 onto 4 to get the answer 25 and when we have to multiply 25 with the numerator 25 we will get 625 minus, and when we have to divide 100 onto 25 we will get 4 times 22, that is 88. Now 11 over 5 plus 2 over 5 into 625 minus 88 we will get 537 over 100. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 50s are 100. 11 over 5 plus 537 over 5 times 50, that is 250. Now the LCM of 5 and 250 is 250. When you have to divide 250 onto 5 you will get 50 and 50 times 11 the answer will be 550 plus 250 divided by 250 the answer is 1. 537 times 1 537. Now 537 plus 550 is equals to 1087 over 250. When you have to divide it you will get your mixed form, that is 487 over 250. Part number 3 is 2 3 over 4 plus 3 1 over 4 plus 3 1 over 4 plus 5 1 over 8 times 67 over 48. Firstly we have to convert the mixed form into improper fractions and then we have to solve the small brackets first. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 over 4 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 over 4 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 over 4 plus 8 5s are 40 plus 1 41 over 8 times 67 over 48. Their denominators are same, so we have to take 4 as LCM 4 and the numerators can be written as it is 11 plus 13 plus The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So we have to divide 8 into 4. Then we will get 2, and 2 times 13, that is 26, plus 8 times, we have to divide 8 into 8 and we will get 1. So 1 times 41, the answer is 41 times 67 over 48. Now 11 plus 13, that is 24. 24 over 4 plus 26 plus 41, 67 over 8 times 67 over 48. Now the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. We have to divide 8 onto 4 to get answer 2. 2 times 24, that is 48, plus 8 divided by 8, we will get 1. 1 times 67, that is 67 times 67 over 48. Now 48 plus 67, that is 115 over 8 times 67 over 48. When we have to multiply the numerators and the denominators, we will get 7705 over 384. And when we have to divide it, we get our mixed form, that is 25 over 384. Question number 2 is find the square roots of the following numbers by division. So it consists of 2 parts. Question number 2, find the square root of the following numbers by division. So the first one is 7056. Now we have to write 7056. And now we have to make the pairs. So students, pairs बनाने के लिए हम राइट हैंड साइड से पेयर बनाना शुरू करेंगे. 2 नंबर लेकर उनके ऊपर एक लाइन लगाएंगे कि ये इनका पेयर है. नेक्स्ट 2 नंबर्स का पेयर, और अगर यहाँ पर एक नंबर बचा था तो वो अकेला नंबर कंसिडर होना था. अब ये 2 नंबर्स हैं, हमें यहाँ पर और इधर सेम नंबर लेना है जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से या तो 70 आ जाए या 70 से छोटा आए कोई नंबर. अगर हम 2 2 4 करेंगे तो वो बहुत छोटा है. 5 5 25 भी छोटा है अभी. 6 6 36 भी बहुत छोटी टर्म है. 9 9 81 बड़ा हो जाएगा. इसलिए हम 8 8 64 करेंगे जो 70 से ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं है, बिकॉज 7 7 49 बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा हो जाएगा. सो 8 8 64. अब हम इन्हें माइनस करेंगे, हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 6. अब अगला पूरा पेयर नीचे उतरेगा 56. अब ये टर्म बन जाएगी 656. नेक्स्ट के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि 8 प्लस 8 इन दोनों नंबर्स को आपने ऐड करना है. दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 16. वो आपने यहाँ लिखना है 16. अब 16 के साथ कोई एक ऐसा नंबर लगाना है और ऊपर भी वो सेम नंबर जाए कि उनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से यहाँ तो 656 आ जाए, यहाँ से कुछ छोटा है. तो वो 164 को हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एग्जैक्टली हमारे पास 656 आ जाएगा और ये डिवीजन कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. अब अगर हम 84 को 84 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें सेम रिजल्ट मिलेगा 7056. So the square roots of 7056 is 84. Its part number 2 is as same as part number 1, so you have to solve it. Question number 3, evaluate the following. It consists of 4 parts. The first part is 2 power 2 times 3 power 4 times 5 power 2 over 10 multiplied by 9. So 2 power 2 can be written as 2 times 2, 3 power 4 times 3, and 5 power 2, it means 2 times 5. 2 times 2, that is 4, times 4 times 3 is 81, 2 times 5 is 25, over 10 9s are 90. Now when we have to multiply the numerators, we will get 8100 over 90, and this 0 will be cancelled out with this 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81, and 0 we will get 90 as answer. Part number 2, there are 2 methods to solve this part. 3 power 2 whole power square times 3 power 2 times 4 power divided by 27 whole power 4. So it means 3 power 2 can be written as 3 times 3, 2 times 3 power 2, 2 times 3 divided by 27 power 4. Now 3 3s are 9, power 2 multiplied by 3 3s are 9 power 4 and divided by 27 power 4. 9 square is 81 times 9 power 4 is 6561 and 27 power 4 is this. When you have to multiply the numerators, they will be cancelled out and you will get answer 1. But there is another method that you have to multiply the powers. So that will be 3 power 4 times 3 power 8 divided by 27 can be written as 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 whole power 4, that can be written as 3 power 12. Now their bases are same and there is a multiplication and a division sign between them. So we have to add and subtract their powers. That 3 power 4 plus 8 minus 12. 4 plus 8, that is 12. 12 minus 12, 0, and the power 0 means that is 1. So students, it's part 3 and 4 is solved in your notes, so you can solve it by yourself. We have to do question number 4. A man sells 2 watches at rupees 240 each. and by doing so gains 250% on one and loses 25% on the other. Does he gain or lose on the whole by how much? स्टूडेंट इस क्वेश्चन में ये है कि एक मैन है, उसने 2 वॉचेस को सेल किया है और दोनों को उसने 240 में ही सेल किया है और उसे ये सेल करने में एक वॉच पर 25% गेन हुआ और एक वॉच पर 25% लॉस हुआ। अब आपने ये बताना है कि ओवरऑल उसको गेन हुआ है या लॉस हुआ, या अगर उसे प्रॉफिट मिला है तो वो कितना मिला है। अब हम ये फाइंड करेंगे। So profit and loss is equal, that is 25%, and sale price of one watch is 240. So it means the sale price of 2 watches will be 240 times 2, that is 480. Now, so firstly we have to find the cost price in which he get profit. So the formula is profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So sale price will be profit plus cost price. Sale price is 240. 240 is a sale price of one watch. So 240 is equals to cost price plus profit is cost price. उसे कॉस्ट प्राइस पे प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो इट मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस एज इट इज टाइम्स 25% उसे प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो 25% मीन्स 25/100 एंड आफ्टर द कैंसलेशन वी विल गेट 1/4. सो 240 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. वी हैव टू टेक द कॉस्ट प्राइस एज कॉमन, सो देयर विल बी 1 प्लस 1/4 into cost price. So 240 is equals to, we have to take the LCM, that is 4, and in the denominator there is 1, so 4 divided by 1 we will get 4 ones are 4 plus 1/4 into cost price. So 240 is equals to 4 plus 1, 5/4 times cost price. Now 4 is divided here, it will be multiplied with 240 and 5 is multiplied, so it will be divided. So 240 times 4/5, and after the cancellation and after the multiplication we will get cost price is rupees 192. So the cost price of first watch is rupees 192, in which he get the profit of 25%. Now we have to do the same thing in the loss. So loss formula is cost price minus selling price. So selling price is equals to cost price minus loss. So the selling price of the second watch is as same, 240 is equals to cost price minus cost price, and the loss is also same, that is 25% and 25/100, and after the cancellation we will get 1/4. And now we have to take the cost price as common, and we will get 1 minus 1/4, and after the LCM we will get 3/4 cost. 240 multiplied by 4/3, and after the cancellation and multiplication we will get cost price of the second watch is rupees 320. Now profit on the first watch. The selling price of the first watch is 240 and its cost price is 192. So he get profit on the first watch is rupees 48. Now loss on the second watch is equals to cost price of the second watch is 320 and he sells it in the 240 rupees. So he will get the loss of rupees 80 on the second watch. So total loss is equals to 80 minus 48, and the total loss is rupees 32. Question number 5. Find the amount on rupees 2400 for 3 years and 8 months at 4.5% per annum. So the principal amount is given in the question, that is rupees 2400. Time period is given, that is 3 years 8 months, and now we have to convert the month into years. We have to divide it by 12 because in 1 year there are 12 months. So now after the cutting on table 4, for 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, we will get 3 plus 2/3 years. Now by taking the LCM we will get 3, and the denominator is 1, so 3 divided by 1 we will get 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 as it is over 3, and we will get 11/3 years. Rate is given, that is 4.5%, that means 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9/2%, and we have to find the interest. Because firstly we have to find the interest because we have to find the amount. So amount is equals to P plus I, but we have didn't the value of I. So firstly we have to get the value of I, and the I is equals to P times R times T. So the principal amount is 2400 times rate is 9/2%. So percent means 9/2 times 100 multiplied by time period is 11/3. So after the cancellation we will get rupees 396. Now the amount is rupees P plus I, so P is 2400 plus I is 396, so we will get amount is rupees 2796. Question number 6 is expand the following. So it consists of 2 parts. The first one is xy minus ab whole square. Xy minus ab whole square is equals to a minus b whole square. So its formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it means xy whole square minus 2 according to the formula. The first number in the first bracket and the second one in the second, plus the second whole square, ab whole square. Xy whole square means x square y square minus 2 into xy ab plus a square b square. That's our answer. So part number 2 is as same. So you have to solve it. Now we have to move to our next question, that is question number 7. And the question number 7 is that Parveen's mother is twice as old as she. 20 years ago, her mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. Find their present ages. So firstly, we have to let the Parveen's age, that is x. So her mother's age will be 2x because her mother is twice as old as she is. So it means 2x. Now Parveen's age 20 years ago, 20 साल पहले उसकी age क्या होगी? x minus 20. And mother's age after, ago, 20 years ago, that will be 2x minus 20. Now they said 20 years ago, her mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. So according to the given condition, 7 times x minus 20 into 2x minus 20. Now 7x minus 720 is 140 equals to 2x minus 20. 7x minus 2x is equals to negative 140 will become positive 140 minus 20. And after their subtraction, we will get 5x is equals to 120. And x is equals to 120 over 5, x is equals to 24. So Parveen's age is x, that is 24 years, and her mother's age is equals to 2x, so it means 2 times 24, that is 48 years. Question number 8. Divide 6a power 4 x cube minus 30a cube x power 4 plus 24a cube x cube by 6a cube x cube. आपने इस पूरी टर्म को इससे डिवाइड करना है. So it means 6a power 4 x cube minus 30a cube x power 4 plus 24a cube x cube over 6a cube x cube. So we can separate their denominators. So that means 6a power 4 x cube over 6a cube x cube minus 30a cube x power 4 divided by 6a cube x cube plus 24a cube x cube divided by 6a cube x cube. Now 6 ones are 6 and 6 ones are 6. And a are same, their bases are same, so their powers will be subtracted because they are in the division. So a power 4 minus 3 and x cube will be cancelled with the whole x cube. 6 ones are 6, 6 5 are 30, so a cube will be cancelled with this a cube and the powers of x will be subtracted. So 5x 4 minus 3 plus 6 ones are 6, 6 4 are 24, 24 a cube x cube will be cancelled with this a cube x cube. Now the answer will be a minus 5x plus 4. That's our answer. So students, I hope you will understand these questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz.